Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out from Strava. So if you also want to log out from Strava, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Strava application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here, you'll be led to the home page of Strava application. If you're logged into your account and if you want to log out from your account, all you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to check the progress and activities over here. At the top right corner, you can see three icons: profile icon, search icon, and gear icon. All you have to do is tap on the gear icon. Now you'll be led to settings interface. You can see several settings options over here. Scroll down to see more options. Scroll down to the bottom. At last, you'll be able to see the option for logout. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see two options over here, cancel and log out. All you have to do is tap on the logout option. Now you can see over here you're logged out of your account. So that is how you log out from Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.